Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I'm a classically trained pastry chef, and today I will be demonstrating how to make egg-free apple cookies. These cookies are super soft and chewy. Instead of eggs, they use applesauce to keep them moist and give structure to the cookie. So let's get started. Combine dry ingredients in a bowl and whisk together until well distributed. You need 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Set this bowl aside for later. Peel a baking apple, such as a Granny Smith, Fuji, or Gala. Shred this finely and set this aside for later. Place 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter into a mixing bowl. Mix for 1 minute on medium speed. Add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to the mixing bowl. Mix together until light and fluffy. This will take approximately 2 minutes. Scrape down the mixing bowl with a spatula as needed. Add 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce and the grated apple to the mixing bowl. Stir together until it's well blended. I'm using the applesauce as replacement where I would normally add an egg. Add the dry ingredients we mixed together earlier to the bowl and stir until everything is fully combined with no dry spots left. Now is the time to mix in any extras you would like. You could try chopped walnuts or dried fruit. I'm adding 1/2 cup of raisins for extra texture and flavor. Place the cookie dough in your refrigerator for about an hour. This helps the flavors blend and keeps the cookies from spreading too much while they bake. Line 2 sheet pans with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Scoop approximately 1 tablespoon of cookie dough and place on the baking pans, making sure you leave about 2 inches of space between the cookies. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies will be slightly risen and lightly golden. After baking, allow cookies to cool for 10 minutes on the baking pans, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.